Hi everyone. The question is, let m and be real numbers such that m is between 0 and root 3 both included and n is between minus root 3 and 0 both included. The minimum possible area of the region of the plane consisting of points x, y satisfying the inequalities y greater than equal to 0, y minus 3 less than equal to mx, or you may see it as y less than equal to mx plus 3, and similarly y less than equal to nx plus 3 is. So we have to minimize the area in between these three lines. Y equal to 0 is essentially x-axis, y equal to mx plus 3 is a line, y equal to nx plus 3 is yet another line. Just that by putting inequality, a region gets denoted. Why? Because each line divides the plane into two parts. So the situation is something like this. Y equal to 0 is essentially the x-axis, and y greater than equal to 0 means above x-axis. Y equal to mx plus 3, where m varies between 0 and root 3 both included. So when m is 0, you get y equal to 3. I'm just talking about equality at this point of time, and then we'll also talk about the inequality. So y when m is 0, y is equal to 3, in which case you get a line y equal to 3 parallel to x-axis. Now as you increase m from 0 to root 3, so as you increase this will be definitely this y equal to mx plus 3 line is definitely passing through the point 0, 3, because no matter what m is, as you put x to be 0, you get y to be 3. So this line y equal to mx plus 3 definitely passes through the point 0, 3, and as you increase the slope m from when it is 0, it is a line parallel to x-axis, and as you increase the slope it first becomes less slope, then a bit more slope, and the maximum possible slope is when m is equal to root 3, in which case when you put y to be 0, x would turn out to be minus root 3. Yeah. And what about y less than equal to mx plus 3? It is the region below this line, below these lines, whatever that line be given, depending on what value of m we are considering. Now let's consider the line y equal to nx plus 3. Again, when n is 0, you get y equal to 3, which is the same line parallel to the x-axis passing through 0, 3. Again, you can see, if you just consider the equality part at this point of time, you get a line y equal to nx plus 3, irrespective of what n is. This line definitely passes through the point 0, 3, again the same very point. Yeah. Now as you increase, or rather as you decrease the slope of this line, as you decrease the value of n, so the lines that you'll get will be like this, as you are decreasing further and further. And in limiting case, when n is the minimum possible value, which is minus root 3, you get y equal to minus root 3 x plus 3 line like this, again passing through 0, 3, and as you put y to be 0, you get x to be root 3. Now it is very and what about y less than equal to nx plus 3? Again it is the region which is below this line, y equal to nx plus 3, the region below it is what y less than equal to nx plus 3 is. Now if you see carefully, for area to be minimum possible, you should be taking these limiting lines. That means when m is root 3 and n is minus root 3. Why? Because the triangle that would be formed, the region turns out to be a triangle satisfying all these three inequalities. That means above x-axis and below these two lines. So clearly you can see it will be a triangle. If you consider some other values of m and n, again it will be a triangle only. Yeah. So the height of the triangle is fixed 3, and to minimize the area, you have to minimize the base, and base gets minimized when you take m to be maximum possible root 3 and n to be minimum possible minus root 3. Else the base gets increased and the area gets increased. So with this understanding, it's very simple. The minimum area would be half into the minimum base, which is 2 root 3, and the fixed height, which is 3. So basically what you get is 3 root 3 as the minimum area. C is the answer. Thanks for listening.